The Optima has sleek styling. The Camry does not. The Optima comes with complimentary Sirius satellite radio. The Camry does not. The Kia Optima, with features they can't beat at a price they can't match. There's really nothing to compare. Now get up to $3,500 cash back.
Health Smart is brought to you by Doctors Hospital of Sarasota.
Sarasota Memorial Hospital is taking a very big step to help people with Parkinson's disease. It is providing a grant to NeuroChallenge Foundation to help provide special services to Parkinson patients. And joining us now with more are Sarasota Memorial Healthcare Foundation President Alex Quarles and NeuroChallenge President Doreen Sutherland. And ladies, thank you both for coming in today. We appreciate it. And I'd like to disclose that I'm on the board of NeuroChallenge, and I talk to you about this frequently when we have guests on. Now we have the president of NeuroChallenge, Doreen Sutherland. Tell us, for people who aren't familiar with NeuroChallenge, what it does.
We are a group that is bringing one-on-one guidance to patients. It's a new and different approach that no one else in Florida is really taking on. It's expensive, it's got a lot of effort that goes into it, and but that's what Sarasota is about, the best health care, the best beaches, the best food. So we're going to provide the best service for Parkinson's patients.
And now NCF is getting a really big boost from Sarasota Memorial Hospital and its Healthcare Foundation. Alex, correct. Why fund NeuroChallenge?
Well, because of the work that they do in the community and the patients that they touch. Clearly, Parkinson's disease is a huge issue here, particularly in this area. We have funded other Parkinson's programs specifically at the hospital, and this was just a natural for us to continue that support.
So this is the first time that the hospital is funding an outside group.
It's actually the foundation that's funding the group, not the hospital.
Right, that's the first time the foundation, I'm sorry, is funding an outside group.
For this year, for this grant cycle.
For this year. And how often does the foundation fund outside groups?
Typically once a year.
So one group a year?
One group a year.
So this must be a pretty big commitment then on the foundation's part.
Well, it is. They have to go through the application process just like any other organization. Sarasota Memorial has to go through an application process as well, and the board has to determine its value and the overall need in the community.
And Doreen, tell us what this grant will do.
Well, primarily what this grant is going to do is provide us with the folks that can put our program together, the counselors, the guidance folks, the advisors that are going to be able to do the one-on-one talking and providing lots of information to people with Parkinson's. So you've got your doctor, you may have medical things, you may have surgical things that you need to do, but you also need to know what kind of food you need to eat, what kind of exercise. So from transportation to Tai Chi to home care to skilled care, whatever you need, we're going to be there to talk with you one-on-one about what you need.
That's right, because it is a very difficult condition to treat. My mom has Parkinson, and I can tell you it's not just simply taking a pill, and it takes a lot of integrative medicine.
So we're very lucky at the hospital that they've put together a wonderful integrative medicine program with us. There's yoga, there's boxing, there's Tai Chi, there's dance. They also have support groups there. There's just tons of stuff. And we need to make sure that all of the folks in Sarasota that have Parkinson's or a movement-related disorder to know about that and take advantage.
And for people out there watching, Alex, what should they take away from this, knowing now that the Hospital Foundation is backing NeuroChallenge?
Well, I think it's important for them to understand that there are resources out there and that we are as much a part of the community in wanting to solve some of these healthcare issues as anybody else. And we're focused, I think we're the only foundation that's purely focused on healthcare related issues, from education to technology to facilities. And in this case, it's taking the patient care one more logical step.
All right, and if you would like to know more about NeuroChallenge, and if you'd like to try and get a physician referral form so that you can get in on some of those services that NCF provides, here's the number to call, 926-6413, or you can go to the website neurochallenge.org. Alex Quarles from Sarasota Memorial Healthcare Foundation, thank you. Doreen Sutherland from NCF, thanks.
Thank you.
We'll be seeing you both again. We'll be right back with Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan.